Tornado is a dynamically developing company, one of the leaders in creating current trends in the market of workwear, military uniforms, military equipment, and personal protective equipment. Since its founding in 1994, the company has been constantly strengthening its position and improving and expanding its range. Tornado produces summer and winter clothing for workers in industrial production, construction, trade, medicine, pharmaceuticals, and the banking sector. Uniforms for security officers and law enforcement agencies, equipment, backpacks, bags, personal protective equipment, and much more. Besides the production of ordinary workwear, we supply the representatives of departmental services with uniforms and equipment. We dress the National Police, the Ministry of Defense, the National Guard, as well as the Border Guard Service of Ukraine. The technological level that our company achieved today is truly a well-established level for our market segment. We worked for more than 2 decades to get here. Tornado's production facilities are concentrated in 6 sewing enterprises in different regions of Ukraine. The main one is located in Kiev. Also, between 26 to 60 sewing workshops of contracting companies are constantly involved in the manufacturing process for the production of Tornado trademark products. Our company is constantly expanding and updating its production base. We equip our factories with the latest models of sewing equipment and carry out the automation of technological processes. The production and experimental design material and technical base of Tornado includes the latest cutting equipment, high-performance sewing machines for various purposes, and special equipment with numerical program control. The company's divisions use advanced software and modern systems for manufacturing patterns.
We use the latest technology. We work in a CAD system. It helps us quickly and efficiently, which is especially important for performing our work.
We develop not only uniforms, but also pouches, backpacks, bulletproof vests, and covers for body armor. Tornado embodies its bold ideas in products manufactured both for the mass market and in limited editions. A separate structural unit of the Ukrainian manufacturer develops models of clothes and equipment of a premium class under the brand name 1991. Designers develop new models, taking into account the conformity of the cut of the products with the requirements for operation, paying special attention to the strength of threads and seams, the quality, and the environmental friendliness of the fabrics.
We thoroughly consider the selection of materials and accessories. Our clothes should be not only comfortable, but should also protect people in difficult working conditions. The clothes should be practical and safe for health. In the manufacture of our products, the company uses fabrics of Ukrainian producers. Fabrics are imported from the USA, China, Korea, and other countries. Our products are highly competitive and of high quality.
The Tornado customer base is composed of more than 20,000 enterprises of various fields of activity in all corners of Ukraine. The company's stock reserves allow it to fulfill all orders as soon as possible and in full. The company's warehouse maintains a constant reserve of finished products. The regular stock reserve of Tornado is more than 3,000 items of goods. Tornado's products are known to the majority of Ukrainian market players as having the best ratio of affordable prices and quality worthy of global brands. When ordering according to individual parameters, your special requirements will be met quickly, accurately, and on time, in compliance with all conditions regarding the model, colors, and sizes of workwear. The Tornado enterprise expands sales markets in order to supply neighboring countries, the post-Soviet countries, Europe, Asia, as well as the USA with our products. We are working constantly on the supply of the Army and police of other countries with the uniform. Today, the Tornado brand is ready to confidently announce to the world that high-quality, special-purpose clothing, reliable uniforms and equipment, both for a wide range of consumers and for the premium segment, can be produced in Ukraine.